Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So just as I was about to film this intro, it started raining torrentially, like cats and dogs type raining. I don't really know what to do now. So I don't know if you can hear it, but in Nigeria, when it rains here, it's like, you know, freaking Amazon rainforest type rain, and it's raining season. So anyway, if you can hear it, this intro is going to be super quick. The rest of the video doesn't have this problem. But yeah, I came today to film you this cutesy little look. It's yellow and burnt orange and summery and fun and pretty and girly and just nice. So I got sent a whole box of Maybelline stuff. I posted it on my story and my Snapchat a couple of weeks ago, and I wanted to basically try out all the stuff I was sent. I wasn't sent everything I needed to create this look, so I did my brows and my eyeshadow off camera, but I wanted to try their foundation, their concealer, their under eye corrector. I had some stuff of my own, like the primer, the glittery bronzer I used, and the highlighter. So I wanted to put all of those together. And what else? They sent me a whole bunch of lip stuff. Obviously I only have one mouth, so I've used just one of their stuff today, but obviously in my videos, as you keep watching, you'll see me use more of their stuff. So yeah, I wanted to just show you how it turned out on my face, and I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my makeup looks that I'm really loving. I took my time with it. It's a Sunday, you know, it's early in the morning, it's, you know, a nice and calm day, so I had time. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before you keep watching, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and I'm almost there, so I would appreciate you guys' love and support. So share, tell your friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell your mom, tell your sister, all that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Okay, so first things first, I am going to prime my skin with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. This is actually genuinely like one of my favorite primers of all time. So I just take a little bit, it's like a gel silicone type primer, and I really only focus it on areas where I have problems with my pores. So my cheeks, brows, my forehead sort of, and yeah, around. The next product I'm trying is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and this is in the shade 312 Golden. I actually really like this foundation. It's coming out pretty good. I like how it's literally the same color as my skin. Love it. I would say this foundation is big buildable coverage. I wouldn't say it's full coverage, because I needed to put a little bit more on my cheeks, but it's, yeah, definitely buildable, which is still good. Okay, I rate this foundation. It's a bit dry. Well, that's because it's a matte foundation, so if you have oily skin, I think this would be really good. I generally don't like dry foundations, but let me see how this fares, because, you know, it feels good now, and I haven't used a matte foundation in a long time, so I could love it. Okay, after foundation, obviously the next step for me is concealer. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color 40. But I find that this concealer is kind of lightweight, and I do have dark under eye circles. So what I am gonna do first of all is color correct. So color correcting, because my under eye circles are more of a dark color, the color I would need to color correct is red. Okay, so to help me do that, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Camo Color Correct in the color Rouge. So it looks like this, and it has a little brush. I've never used this before, as you can see. So it has a little applicator tip. So let's see how this works for me. I guess you just twist it till it comes out. Am I missing something? I mean, this is usually how things like, oh shit. Got quite a lot of product coming out. Okay, so let me just get some of this red and just sort of dab it around this area. Wow, this is very, very red. I don't know if this is normal. So thank God I didn't use all the product that came out. I feel like that would have been a disaster. But anyway. I don't want to use my concealer beauty blender because I don't want to affect the color of that by adding red in. Oof, I look like a vampire. Okay, so going back in with the Maybelline concealer that I was talking about. I'll put that over. I find that this, like I was saying, this concealer isn't full coverage, and I generally do like full coverage concealers, so I might go over this with something else, but then again, I don't know if with the color correcting it looks like I might not need to. And so as you can see, yes, it's doing a great job, but I'm still having that slightly pinky red sort of vibe. So to cancel that out, I'm not going to use a Maybelline product, but this is just NARS because it's just a lighter color. So this just has more of a yellow undertone to just help me cancel out a little bit of that red. So while I am setting my under eye powder and concealer and all that stuff, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick, the Shine Free Balance 355 Coconut. It's just a stick like this, and if you watch all my videos, you know this is a staple in my makeup bag already. I just take this right in the pits of my cheek, and you know, to make my little 5 head slightly smaller. For bronzer, I'm gonna try the Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder in the color 340 Cappuccino. I hope this isn't too dark for my face. Oh, it's actually quite warm. Okay, this is cute. So this is basically my first time using a lot of these products, and Maybelline sent me all this stuff. Face Meets Art, I will tag them down below. They sent me all this stuff, and you know, so I'm trying it for the first time, and I love this powder. I actually think this is a very good color for me. It's not too red. Okay, that is it for the base of my face pretty much. Now I'm just gonna go in and like contour my nose and highlight my face and, you know, glitz it up a little bit. Okay, so for the first step of bronzing my face, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome metallic highlighters. I have both the bronze and the gold. So I'm gonna go in with the bronze one first with this brush, and I'm just gonna go over my bronzer and sort of add a little bit of sheen to that bronzer, because I don't really like matte bronzers. They don't really suit my skin. So this doesn't really come up on camera, but in person, like, and in pictures, it just catches the light ever so subtly. Okay, so I spritzed my face with some setting spray just so it's, you know, I lose that ashy tone feel. I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lash line once this has dried and I'm done with my lips, so it doesn't get smudged and catch the bottom. So for my lips, guys, Maybelline sent me so much stuff, and I don't know what sort of color to go with because you know, my eyeshadow is yellow. They sent me loads of bright colors, and I don't think that'll match. So maybe I'm gonna go with, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna try 2 different colors. The first one I'm gonna try is this LACQUER. It's the Vivid Hot Lip Lacquer, color Sensational, in the color 62 Charmer. First off, I'm just gonna line my lips, obviously. This is just a nice pink lip liner. Okay, so now that my lips are all lined, I'm gonna go in with this color. Okay, I think I might actually leave this color. I think it's gonna dry matte. I can't tell. It might not actually, it may stay glossy. If it stays glossy, I do like this, it's cute. Okay, so before I forget, let me put some mascara on my lower lash line. Today I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express Mascara. Massive volume and rocket time. Even though I'm doing this on my lower lash line, so it's not so much about the volume, but you know. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I think it's like a perfect summertime, you know, cutesy outside vibe event thing type look. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it's like yellow, and yellow is just happy. Even though summer is over, so probably not a very good time to come up with this eye look, but if you're Nigerian like me, our summertime is in December, in which case I am perfectly prepped. So let me just, you know, show you guys a close-up of what this looks like.
I say, Lord, be my savior when it come to getting this paper. People take me from my haters, just say me and I won't favor. Say